Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Cyber Monday haul. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the great deals that I found, then please keep watching. Some of these packages I'll be opening in front of you guys. Some of them were buy online, pick up in store. So they already came in bags, so I won't be able to open anything for those. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this smaller box that I have here. So this is a free gift. I got some samples actually. What is this? Lancome, Giorgio Armani, Bulgari. This is actually a free gift with purchase. So let's see all the goodies that I got. I got this Clinique cosmetic bag. It's really nice.
What do you do?
In this package, I got Take the Day Off makeup remover. I'm gonna put that in the bag. I got a Dramatically Different moisturizing lotion plus hydrant. Oh, lotion plus. I got, I believe this is a black mascara, high impact mascara. This beautiful red lipstick. Look at how pretty this red is. So pretty. And the last thing that I got was the foaming facial soap. So again, guys, this was a free gift with purchase, so I did not pay anything for that one. Okay, so this is the second package that I got. This is a medium-sized package. So let's see what's in here. And I will be linking, well, I'll be posting pictures of the actual prices that I paid for these in case you guys are interested. I'll put the description in the video after I show you guys here. Oh, okay. So this is the MAC gift set that they had. It's the Fix Plus Prime spray. Let me see if you guys can see it. It has a lipstick and the mascara. And let me see, I believe I have the price here, so let me check. $34. And right now they are having 15% off, so you guys can actually get this for less. So it's $34 and they are having 15% off cosmetics and fragrances until December 10th. Okay, I decided to open the package up for you guys so we can see the lipsticks together. And I think this is called Chili. Let's see, yeah, this one is called Chili. Let me see if I can get it on there. Chili, so that's the name of it. Look at how pretty this is. It's also all red, but this is matte. So pretty. And this is a mini, so it's not a full-size one, it's a mini. This is the bigger package. I'm not sure what's in this one, but we'll find out. So I got a lot of things. Ooh, what is this? Okay. $67. This is for my husband. So I hope he's not listening. It's the Clinique Happy for Men. He's really into this. So I got it for him. And again, these were 15% off and this sale is going on until December 10th. So it's the fragrance, the cologne, the shower gel, body and hair wash, and then the face scrub with exfoliant visage. I don't know how you say that, guys, but that's what it is. Okay, so this one was a buy online pick up in store product. And okay, my husband's birthday is December 19th, and then we have Christmas the 25th, and he wanted both of these fragrances for himself, so I ended up getting him both. This is the Invictus, and that's a free backpack that it came with, by the way. It came with a free backpack. So I got him the Invictus, and this is the Aqua. Oh yeah, there it is, Aqua. Again, 15% off on these. And then a lot of times if you do it online or in person, you do get a lot of gifts. $93, but again, it does have 15% off additional to that. Okay, so the next items are also from Macy's, but they do have a MAC in this specific Macy's. So I did another buy online, pick up in store, and these were a super great deal, guys. So I ended up getting the Aaliyah collection lipsticks, and they are discontinuing these, so the prices were crazy good. Let me see, only $11 each. Isn't that amazing? I thought I had gotten 2 of every one of them. Look at how pretty these are, but it turns out I only got 2 of this one. Look at how pretty that is, and the packaging is so cute too. Look at that color. This is gonna be for someone's gift for Christmas, so I think the color even makes it like really good. And so I got 2 of this one. It's called More Than a Woman. Isn't that so cute? And this one is Hot Like. So let's see, they're all the same packaging, by the way. ¿Qué pasó? And this one is a red. Again, this is gonna be a gift. The other 2 red ones are for me. One is matte and the other one was just a regular red lipstick. This is gonna be someone's gift. And then the last ones are Hot Like, which is also the same one, so I won't show you guys that one again. And then this one, Try Again. Try Again. Same packaging. And this one's more of a nude, like a nude brown. Look at how pretty this is, guys. By the way, I had also ordered a lipstick in the Aaliyah collection, but they sent me an email that they had actually ran out of them, and since they are discontinued, I was not gonna be able to get another one. But that's fine. I mean, I really wanted it, but it's okay. It happens. Okay. So next, it's these Nike shoes I found for my dad. These were only $48. They were on sale, 25% off. So they were $48.74 plus tax. $53.74. Still a really good price for Nike shoes. Look at how pretty these are, by the way. Look at that navy blue. It's like a navy blue, and then it has that like royal blue inside. Aren't they cute? Look at how pretty. Okay, so next are more items that I bought online and picked up in the store. This one is from the Children's Place, and I'll show you guys how much I paid for it. Okay, so yeah, this one is a 2T, and I got it for my baby so he can wear during the holidays, but it is a little bit big, but I think that's fine. I can always tuck it in a little, so he'll be okay. This one is from Macy's. Similar colors. I'll show you guys the difference. This one's more burgundy and this one's a little more red. It does have burgundy in there, but this one has more red. And I'll show you guys the price. And this one is 24 months, so he will fit into this one a little better, but it'll still be a little bit big. He's wearing 12 and 18 months. Look at how cute this is. And such good deals. Next item that I got was this little dress. This is for my best friend's baby girl. This is just so cute. This is a size 3 months. She's only 1 month, but I think it'll fit her good for the holidays. And that's what I wanted, for it to fit her perfect for the holidays. It's full of checkered or flannel. Cute little bow in there. Isn't it so cute, guys? And I got her sister, her bigger sister, a matching dress, which I'll show you guys later. So the next item that I got was this cute little dress, also for the same baby, my friend's baby. This one is a little bit thicker, it's warm. It's so cute with some little leggings and some little boots. I think this will look so cute. It's also a three months in the size, so it'll fit her good for the holidays, and also in the beginning of the year, because it actually does get cold here in California, maybe till February. Okay, so next I got my little niece this beautiful little faux fur vest. It's so soft. The price was amazing. This one is a 24 months. That's what she's wearing right now. And I also got the baby the same little vest, because it was such a good deal, and they are so cute, guys. If only you guys could feel how soft this is. This one is a 3 months, 3 to 6 months. Isn't it cute? And I actually got this one for the baby so she can wear with this cute little dress. And look at the price for this one as well. Hey, Papa. Isn't it so cute with some little white leggings? 3 to 6 as well. So cute. It has a little heart on there. This is gonna be so cute with a pink little bow for my best friend's baby as well. This next one, I got it for the twin boy, my nephew. It's a 2T, which it will also be a, no, this is a 24 months. It'll fit him perfect, and I think it'll be really cute for the holidays as well. So that's for the twin boy, and this is for the twin girl. So I figured they can match them somehow, so she can probably wear like little black leggings, a little dress, long sleeve dress, and this will be really cute together for the twins. This next one is from Kohl's, and I know that this is the dress for the older sister. Oh, okay. There's an extra item that I forgot I had purchased. So I got this one for my niece. She's turning 5 this month actually, and she's really into unicorns, which is why I got her this one. And I was noticing that on my receipts it doesn't give me the price after the coupon. So I know this one was around $8 because they did take additional, I think, 20% off. So yeah, this one was $10, but with the discount it was less. And then this is the beautiful dress that I got for the older sister. Isn't it so cute, guys? You guys can't really see it on this camera, but I will show you guys what it looks like online. This just has a little bow in there. that's how it is. Okay, I have one more package from Macy's. Finally, $17. It's this eyeshadow that I got for my godmother, and this one's the Espresso Matte, and she actually uses this one as her eyebrow color. So this is what it is. I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys because this is gonna be her Christmas present. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is, like I said, Espresso Matte eyeshadow. And so for this video, I'm gonna make it into 2 parts. So that is it for this video. I'll be posting the other one up maybe tomorrow or during the weekend. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and have a great one.